Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY pound yen for Monday and Tuesday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you trade on other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, and other major pairs, you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So the market is open and we can see that market has formed a big green candle right now. Honestly speaking, I was planning to take a buy position here because this level, okay, the level of the price level of around 156.10 to 20 was a very lucrative position. But sadly, when market formed the green candle here, I missed the opportunity. But I think that we may get an opportunity again as the day passes. If you look at the currency strike meter here, then here is our JPY, Japanese yen, second most weakest currency. Hmm. And here is our GBP. GBP is though GBP is on the positive side, but we can see that there is not much strength on GBP. But yes, Japanese yen is considerably weak today. So if Japanese yen continues to be on the weaker side, then obviously there is more upside, or there will be more upside on the chart of GBP JPY or all the JPY pairs. So first of all, this level was important, and again I'll say that this level in the future also, okay, not future but today or tomorrow will be very important. Why? Because if I zoom out the chart, you can see that overall, what is the trend? The trend of the market is towards the upside. Yes, sir, this portion of the market looks choppy, undoubtedly. But if I just ask you, my dear friend, what is the trend of the market here? Then you can easily see that the trend of the market is towards the upside. And in a trending market, okay, where is the area of value? The area of value is always near the support. And here you can see that we have the trend line acting as the dynamic support. First, the trend line is acting as dynamic support. Secondly, you can see that there was constant price rejection around 156 level. There have been numerous price rejections around 156 level, and this gives us the confirmation that yes, not only we have the trend line passing through, we also have a static support, a horizontal support. There are some buyers present around 156 level. Okay, so there were two support here, but sadly, um, while I was sleeping, okay, market formed a green candle and market went up. But if I get another opportunity, then definitely I think that the market has a good possibility of bouncing from this level here. So 156, 156.10 to 156.20 can be a good level for a buy. But keep in mind, my dear friend, confirmation is always important. Take a buy only when you see that there is a price rejection from below. If you see a hammer kind of a candlestick pattern, or if you see a market is getting bullish, then only take a buy. If you see that market is coming down, forming big red candles, do not buy, because flexibility is very important. And never forget, no level in the market is permanent. Okay, so do not make a mistake. Okay, if market bounces, then only buy. Okay, and apart from this level, we have 155.40250 as a next support or good support for the market. Okay, 155.50 to 155.4030. This is a support zone in the market. Next support zone. Next good support zone. And at the top, okay, at the top we have the level of 157.50 to 158 level. There's a good possibility of market reversing from there, though this is a trending market towards the upside. But if you see good price rejection from above, I think that definitely we can take a sell position as well. With her stop loss above 158 level, this is also a selling opportunity because of the huge price. No, not huge price rejection, but if you consider this portion of the chart here, then we can see that yes, strong sellers are present here. Okay, so yes, we can also take a sell position here as well. But for day trading purpose, I would like to recommend one more level here, and the level is 157.20 or 30. 157.20 or 157.30. This can be another level for day traders mostly. This is a trending market, but market is towards the upside. But for day trading purpose, if you see good price rejection from above around this level, I think that with proper risk management, you can also take a sell position. If you see good price rejection from above at 157.2030 level, you can also take a sell position. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of pound yen right now. Keep in mind, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please follow strict risk management. And as we all know, market is very news sensitive right now. So please be careful and trade wisely. Trade with proper analysis. Okay, bye bye. Take care.